Hey everyone, welcome to RAWatCraft. So today we'll be making this beautiful flower and the materials you'll be needing are the quilling strips, glue, paper cutter and the quilling needle. So first of all I have taken one yellow strip and then I'll be taking one pink strip. Okay, I have taken pink and yellow. You can choose the colors as per your liking. Okay, so now I'll just cut these two strips into two equal parts. Like I've taken the pink and now I'm taking the yellow and I'm cutting it into two equal parts. Now in total I have four strips. Okay, so I've taken one yellow strip and put some glue on one part of it, and then I'll be pasting the pink one with it. Okay, so now pink and yellow has been pasted and now it is giving us like a dual shade effect. So now I'll be taking this pink side and then I'll just start rolling it, start quilling it. Okay, so I've just taken my quilling needle and now I'll be making a tight coil out of it. So you can see the way I'm rolling it and you can roll the same way. And even if you're not having these quilling strips, then you can take any of the normal chart papers or something that you have at your home and you can just cut the strips out of them and you can make the flower. So this is the tight coil that I have created. You can see now I'll be putting it on board. Okay, so now you can see I have put it into two circular spaces and now you can see the way I'm pinching it, the same way you need to do. You have to put the center at the center. Okay, and now just push it like this and then this way. Okay, so you'll get this beautiful shape, you can see. And then the half yellow strip I'll be putting in between these two parts and then I'll be just rolling it around this petal that I have created. Okay, so now I'm just rolling this yellow strip and once I find its end, then I'll just glue it. Okay, so I've just taken some glue and I will just paste it. Okay, so this is my one petal. So my one petal is ready. So the same way we have to create more petals like this so that we can create a flower out of it. Okay, so this is the one petal and here are my other petals. So here are the other petals that I have created. Now the half pink strip that we were having, we'll cut it into again into two equal parts. Okay, so like this is the 1/4 part of one strip that I was having in the starting. So now I'll be just rolling it to make the center part of the flower. Okay, so now I have just rolled it into a tight coil and I'll just glue it the same way. So I have just pasted it and this is the center part of our flower. So center part of our flower is ready. Now I will just put it down. Okay, and then I will just see that how many petals I'll be needing for one flower. So quickly I'll just see this. So I think for this 6 petals are enough. 6 petals are making a good flower. Okay, so now I'll just have to put the glue on the tip of the petals. Okay, so that I can simply paste it at the center. So you can see the same way you have to do. You all can also make this flower. This looks beautiful and it's not that tough to make. So this way I'll be easily sticking them with the center part. So now I'm sticking my petals with the center part. And also guys, do subscribe to RAWatCraft for the tutorial videos and for more updates. Okay, and you can find more of the tutorials on this channel, and please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. So now you can see I have pasted it and this is the flower. So now let it dry for some seconds and then you can see this flower. And also you can find the tutorial for this background on my channel. Thank you so much.